Are you ready for some fun? Let's play Choose Your Gift, Pink, Purple, or Blue Edition today. Welcome back to the Phantom's Pen. We've got 50 exciting questions, each giving you just 10 seconds to decide. If you're ready for the challenge, smash that subscribe button and let's roll. Round 1, choose your sword. Round 2, choose your shield. Round 3, choose your bow. That's a tough choice. Round 4, choose your potion. Round 5, choose your amulet. Round 6, choose your staff. Can you feel the magic in the air? Round 7, choose your cloak. Round 8, choose your boots. Round 9, choose your helmet. What a stylish lineup! Round 10, choose your gauntlet. Round 11, choose your ring. Round 12, choose your quiver. These choices are getting exciting. Round 13, choose your grappling hook. Round 14, choose your lantern. Round 15. Choose your talisman. Adventure awaits, my friend. Round 16. Choose your spellbook. Round 17. Choose your belt. Round 18. Choose your map case. Who knew gear could be this fun? Round 19. Choose your flute. Round 20. Choose your dagger. Round 21. Choose your cape. So many awesome options. Round 22. Choose your crossbow. Round 23. Choose your spyglass. Round 24. Choose your treasure chest. Decisions. Round 25. Choose your battle axe. Round 26. Choose your chalice. Round 27. Choose your crystal ball. Feeling adventurous yet? Round 28. Choose your sickle. Round 29. Choose your net. Round 30. Choose your horn. Gear up for more fun. Round 31. Choose your boots of speed. Round 32. Choose your cloak of invisibility. Round 33. Choose your wand. Who doesn't love a good magical item? Round 34. Choose your battle standard. Round 35. Choose your shield potion. Round 36. Choose your healing herb. This is getting intense. Round 37. Choose your horse saddle. Round 38. Choose your fishing rod. Round 39. Choose your backpack. Let's see those choices. Round 40. Choose your campfire kit. Round 41. Choose your dragon egg. Round 42. Choose your ice pick. The adventure just keeps getting better. Round 43. Choose your trident. Round 44. Choose your magic mirror. Round 45. Choose your grapes of strength. Ready for the next round? Round 46. Choose your treasure map. Round 47. Choose your wizard hat. Round 48. Choose your fishing net. What a lineup! Round 49. Choose your horsewhip. Round 50. Choose your shield wall. You've made it through 50 rounds. And there you have it, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and smash that subscribe button. Just kidding. Be gentle. It's sensitive.